you see? Do you see a bumper? Man, what's good? What's good? What's good with y'all, man? Alright, what we're gonna be getting into today is this video is just a little update on the radiator. As y'all know, in a couple videos I have done the 3-row dual electric fan radiator from eBay. So a lot of people was like, don't go eBay, don't do all that stuff. But man, to tell you the truth, man, everything has been going pretty smooth with the truck. Right now the truck ain't cranking. I gotta get a whole nother battery. We gonna get that situated, but this is the radiator. As you can see, 3-row aluminum radiator. Look, I just had it mocked up because we had a car show, so I just got everything hooked up, you know, just to get ready for the car show. And you know, here's, you know, little bits and pieces of the cars and stuff that had came. Yeah, it was a good little turnout, man. Everybody, it was hot, so, you know, but alright, what we got, I didn't have to do too much like modding and stuff like that. It pretty much fit in here. The only thing that had me worried was this piece right here. I thought that this was gonna tear up, but it doesn't even hit. It's like the hood, once it goes past, it goes all the way in. Like, it's almost like an HD hood, but you know, it's all factory, which is kind of cool. You can stuff a lot of stuff under these trucks, but I just got everything just out and about. Got everything disconnected. If you want to do this, the only thing you're gonna have to do is if it's a, what is it, 95 to 98 OBS or 99 OBS Tahoe or whatever, if you're gonna do this, right here, I took this piece, took this off, and all I did was just trim this little bit of it's like a foam, like a hard foam. I just trimmed that up a little bit, and as you see, it's pretty sturdy. I did the same thing on this side here. I just trimmed it up a little bit where to hold that radiator, and hey, I ain't had no problems with it. Now, as far as hooking up the fans, I needed a little bit of help because I got a homeboy. He know what to do. I gave him a call, and you know, he helped me throughout the wiring on the phone, which was kind of amazing to me because, you know, I thought he was gonna have to show up, but he was just like, he was like, you got a blue, red, white, black. I'm like, yeah, I do. He was like, yeah, black, ground, hook it up to the ground. I'm like, okay, bet. Then he said, on your fans, the blue is the power, black is the ground. So I hooked them up. The black is going to the power, which y'all, look, once again, I just mocked this up so I can drive the truck to the car show. That was it. I didn't care how the wires looked. Yes, it looked like nothing but spaghetti. But, and yeah, this is where I got the toggle switch because it was a big box here. Matter of fact, this was the box that I took out the truck, and I've been putting my tools in that. Yeah, this is the box. All this go on top of that box, and that set right here. When I took that out, it was a hole. Well, I didn't want to run a toggle switch to the cab, so I was just being real stupid, and it was kind of like a spur of the moment type thing, and I just got the toggle switch sitting right there. You know, I walk by the truck, I'll click it off. Walk to the truck, I'll click it back on. But what do y'all think about it? Like, I know y'all might be like, dang, bro, you need to hide them wires and stuff. It's coming, bro. This ain't gonna stay in the truck for long. Bear with me, trust the process. But as far as the fans, they look good. They're holding up. The fans, hey, this mug cooling the truck down like tremendous. It's crazy. Like, I should have been did this a long time ago. But, you know, I always was taught, well, I always was like, hey, whatever come with it, it stay with it. But I took that big old clutch fan off, and I didn't put new hoses and stuff because why put new hoses and stuff when you're gonna be doing an LS swap anyway? So that's really why I haven't done anything. And on the previous videos, my bad, I got the roll pan installed, and I honestly think that this third brake light, I took it off. Well, I didn't take it off. I unplugged it because when I got to looking at it, half this mug was full of water. full of water, man. And I was trying to figure out why my battery was running dead. I think the wire in it is shorting out. It's doing something, but I unplugged it. I don't know where the wire, where the drainage of the battery is going to, but that definitely is supposed to have a red square when you hit the brakes. And just so happened I drove the truck home. I went to go check the mail, looked up, that mud red light was still on. I was like, yeah, that's why. Anyway, that's why the truck, man, I haven't done anything, man. I just been kind of just lacking. I haven't done anything. I'm actually about to go and get this battery tested to see if I need another battery or what. I wish there was a way I could put 2 batteries up in this mud, boy, like a diesel. But nah, it's all good. Like I said, that's just an update on the 3-row aluminum radiator. If y'all have any questions, just comment. Comment what y'all think about it. Comment if you having any problems. I just rigged it up like this. I haven't made it any type pretty because once I'm gonna take it down here and run it up, kind of run it behind. I'm gonna try to hide all the wires once I start on the LS. Anyway, when I take this out, put the LS in, I'm gonna rewire everything, hide most of the wires. I'm gonna try to make it look real neat, but other than that, I took it to Maplesville. One of my buddies was having a little gathering, and I got it done just in time. And the next day, we was on that road going down there, and when I got there, radiator was cool. It wasn't even hot. I'm like, that's what's up. Them fans was blowing, man. Hey, it was doing what it was supposed to do. So I'm not gonna give it a 10 out of 10, but I honestly gonna give it a good old high 9 out of 10, because for what I paid for it, and you know, supposed to be how simple it was, but yeah, it's pretty straight. I hope it continue to do what it's supposed to do. I know when I have the LS, it's gonna be a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna have a whole lot of space. And yeah, hopefully, I hope this helps some of you as far as buying stuff from eBay. I know me, I was skeptical, but dude, some stuff on eBay is good, some of it ain't. It's kind of like a 50-50 draw. But that is that. I'm gonna have a picture of the I'm gonna have the picture and stuff of what I bought on eBay. So if you want to go and check it out for your OBS, man, I highly recommend it. If you ain't seen my video, click on the OBS playlist, scroll down, check it out. Hey, it's straight. It was easy. Just kind of, and these are factory. I didn't fabricate any of this. I just took out the old one. I kind of bent it back a little bit, and all I did was just cause see, you see how that has that little C. it was supposed to be a little C right here because it's just a 1 inch, like a 1-row radiator that's factory. So I just cut it out, and yeah, I cut it out right there, bolted it down. It's secure. But that's gonna be it with this video, man. I hope y'all liked it. But you know, ready for more stuff, man. Let's go.